Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to install 1688 app on Android phone and iPhone. And this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. So let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using 1688 Chinese shopping app, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So for every Android user, make sure you click on your Play Store right here. So having opened up your Play Store, next thing you need to do is to come down below right here. Make sure you click on search. So if you are using Android phone, this is the procedure. If you are using iPhone, just go to your App Store on iPhone. They'll get into your App Store or on Play Store on Android phone. Come to search app and game right here and type in 1688. So having typed in 1688, just like what you see right here, then come down below right here and make sure you click on search. Now it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here and then make sure you click on here. Then you are here. So as at the time of making this video, this is the number of people that have downloaded and installed PIN 1688 Chinese shopping app on their Android phone right here, about 1 million plus people. So what you need to do right here is to simply click on install. After a successful installation, next thing you need to do is to click on open right here. Then this is going to pump up right here. Simply scroll down right here and make sure you click on this particular big orange button right here. Click on that. And you are into your 1688 Chinese shopping app right here. Then right here, click on allow. Then you can see everything right here. You can scroll down. So you can scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more different products is going to load up right here. As far as 1688 Chinese shopping app is concerned, from the top here, you have different icon right here. You can simply explore and then swipe this way and see more icon right here. You can scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more different products is going to load up right here. So this same process you use to install 1688 Chinese shopping app on your Android phone is the same procedure you need to use to install 1688 Chinese shopping app on your iPhone from your App Store. For more tutorial tips and tricks about 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.